Right, I'm doing a little early fireworks demonstration for you, starting with a what we call the Catherine wheel. Yeah, spins around. Hopefully it'll stay on the tree. Yeah, you can see what this is. I'm hoping it's going to stay around. I think these bang as well. Is that it? Wow, that's weak. Alright, that's what we've got here from that. By the way, I know it's not November the 5th, but I thought I'd bring something exciting up onto you guys. To start us off. Kick us off for a happy Halloween and the rest. For now. And let's do a shot tube. You probably can't see what a shot tube is. I'm not sure what it is myself, but it's some shot tube. So look, it's from Garden Fireworks. It's a little bit of fun. And that was it. 3 shots. Not much fun, was it really? But this one is called Tray Shot. I'm still filming. Yeah, Tray Shot. You see that? It's hard to see really, isn't it? It looks like fuse on there. This could be much bigger. I'm pulling way too quick. Oh, not really. It's not so bad. Right, remember, do not go near fireworks while they're still lit. This one here, I know is a big one. This one here, you can see it's called, it's hard to really hard to see, head torch, it's called Loud and Pretty. No. That's it. This one is ridiculous. That really is loud. Better shut this off now before I get in trouble. I am actually on land where I'm allowed to be to set these fireworks off. However, it is a certain time. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, subscribe, and please hit this notification bell. And all the cows are mooing at me now, so I better get on my way. Thank you all so much.